Hi, welcome to Palai Planet, and we have got a question from quadratic equations. Now, let me share my screen so that we can start the question, right? So the question says that the diagonal of a rectangular field, right? The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side, okay? And if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, right? Find the sides of the field. Now, it is very clear that this field which is being talked about in this question is basically it's rectangle in form, right? So it will look something like this, right? So this is the rectangular field which we have, right? And now in the question, it is also being talked about the diagonal of the field. So that will look something like this. So suppose it is A, B, and C and D, right? Now, what it says is that the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side, right? And if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field, right? Now, both the diagonal, which is AC, both the diagonal and the long side, right? They both are having relationship with the shorter side of the rectangle, isn't it? They both are having the relationship with the shorter side. So what we will do is let us suppose the shorter side, let us suppose the shorter side is the shorter side is equal to x. So which means this is x. And if this is x, they are saying that the diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So that means this diagonal is going to be x plus 60, right? And they are also saying that the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So that means the longer side is this. So this is x plus 30, right? Now, looking at this, it's a rectangle. So obviously we have this angle as 90 degree. And if this is 90 degree, then we have got triangle ABC as our right angled triangle. And now we will put or we will apply Pythagoras theorem in this particular question. So as per that, it says that if we are observing the triangle ABC, then it says that AC square, which is the hypotenuse of the triangle AC square, is equal to AB square plus AC square, right? Now let's start putting up these values in terms of x, and then we will solve the question. So AC square means x plus 60 whole square equals to AB square, that means x plus 30 whole square, and AC, sorry, this is going to be AB square and BC square. This is BC square. So BC is x, right? This is x. So this is like now x square. Now let us start simplifying this. So it is like x square plus 3600. We are applying simply a plus b whole square and plus 120 x, and that's equal to, now we are expanding this, so this becomes x square plus 900 plus 2ab, that makes it 60x plus this x square, right? Now 1x square, this x square will get simply cancelled with this one, and we will now take the entire equation on one side. So let's take everything everything onto the right side. So this is like 0. Everything goes from this side, from left side to the right side. So that's like is equal to x square plus 900 plus 60x minus 3600 and minus 120x, right? Now we can further simplify, and we can now write that x square, and 60x plus 60x and minus 120x makes it minus 60x, right? And this 900 and minus 3600, that makes it how much? That makes it minus 2700, right? So this becomes minus 2700 and is equal to 0, right? So now let me start using some other color also so that it becomes visible. Now let's use the split methodology now, right? And we've been using it in many various questions, so we will use it here also. So minus 60x is expressed in minus 90x plus 30x, and we write 2700, that's equal to 0. Now it is very simple, like minus 60x has been expressed like this, and the product of minus 90 and plus 30 is always minus 2700, right? So this is the perfect situation. And now we will take x common from here, and we will put like x minus 90, and this is like I put 30, and we write x minus 90 is equal to 0. And finally what we get here is x minus 90 and x plus 30, and that's equal to 0, right? Now we have got this as factors, right? Now let's take this forward, and if we carefully look at this now, we get two values of x. So either x is equal to 90 or x is equal to minus 30 degree. Now that we know that we are talking about the length of a field, right? Length of a field, and x is a length of the field, and therefore x cannot be the negative. So this is something to be ignored here, and what we will consider is 90. So the length of the shorter side, that is x, is equal to 90 meter, and therefore the longer side will be 90 plus 30, and that makes it 120 meters, right? So this is how we have solved this question, and I hope you liked and enjoyed it, and you have also understood it. That is more important. So I request, keep watching these videos, have fun, and in case you have any queries or any questions, please feel free to drop your queries in the comment box, and I shall come back to you, right? Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.